Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Envato Elements in Canva. So as you can see right here, I have my Envato account and of course my Canva account as well. So here in Envato, you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to download and access all of the features so you can use it on your Canva. So you just have to simply click on this option right here, the tab, and then you have to log into your account and then subscribe to a plan. So whether you want to be billed monthly or annually, so it's up to you. So here on Envato, we have different elements that we can use. And for this video, we are going to focus on how we can use a template here and then use it in our Canva. Like for example, designing a t-shirt, changing the color, adding text, and so on. Okay, so we have your graphics, 3D presentation template, and then we also have the graphic template. So here in the graphic template, we have this one. So we are going to use this template. So you just have to simply click on it after clicking on the categories and then finding your element. So here we have the details of this template. And then when you scroll down, you also have relevant template. So when you clicked on the download option, just have to select your project. So you can also create a new project if you want to, and then just have to simply click on the add and download. So once this template is downloaded on your computer, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then we have to extract the files of this zip file. Okay, so to do that, just have to open your files. Okay, and then once you're here, you just have to simply click on that zip folder, and then you'll be able to see the extract option at the top of your screen. So you just have to simply click on it, and then once done, you can now open the folder and then check the template. Okay, so I already extracted this file. So now, since I already have here the template, I'm now going to open my Canva application. So this is how it looks like. So now let's go back to our Canva. So here on Canva, you just have to simply click on the add or create a new design at the top left of your screen. And then you can either go with documents, whiteboards, but for this one I'm going to upload. So just simply click on the upload option, or you can also customize the size. So here you just have to simply click on the upload files option, and you'd be directed to your folder. So here make sure to include this one and then the template. After that, you just have to simply click on the open option, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds until this file is uploaded on your Canva. So once this file is uploaded, you will then just have to simply click on it and start customizing this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, when we clicked on the text, we can now move it. We can delete this one, or we can also change the color of the t-shirt. So for this one, let me try to edit the text if we can. So if we're gonna change the text right here, we just have to simply delete it, and then we can use the text here on Canva. So I think I'll try to change the color first. So if we can do this one, so it's good. So just have to simply click on it, and then just have to simply click on the edit option after that. So here is the edit option. So just click on this one. And here we can use the different features here on Canva, especially if you have subscribed to your pro plan. So here in my Canva account, I did not subscribe to one. So what we're going to do here now is to simply delete all of the default text and then add here our own text. Just go to the text section and then add a text box, and then you can now type out your text. Okay, and then the next thing that we should do is to change the color and then change or find the correct font for this design. So I'm just going to type it right here like super sale, and then I'm going to change the color into color white. Okay, so we have here different colors as well. So I think color white is good. Now the next thing that we should do is to change the font style. Okay, so let me just find the correct font style. So I think this one is good. Yeah, so we just have to resize the text, and then I'm just going to duplicate this one, then put a smaller one at the back of the t-shirt. So I'm just going to resize it. Okay, so now that we are done adding the text for this t-shirt, so take note that you can also add more design if you want to, but for this video, I'm just going to focus and keep it simple as possible, okay? Next is to change the color of the t-shirt. So you just have to click on it and go to the filter section. And here, this is a technique on how you can change the color of the t-shirt. So we have these different colors right here. So it will depend on the filter that you are going to use. So we also have the latte, we also have Sunday, and then bronze, and we also have flint and more. So you just have to find the correct color for your design. Then once you're satisfied, you can also go to the upload section, and then right here you can also upload your own logo and then put it on your t-shirt. So here we also have an Envato app here on Canva. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see here different icons as well, like images that are available that you can use. And of course, you can also generate your own icons. You just have to describe what icon do you want to generate, and then you can get the result and then use it on your t-shirt. So like for example, buy, so we have this different icons. So for me, I don't need this thing. So what we're going to do now is to simply click on the share option at the top right of your screen after finalizing your design, because we are going to download this image and try to see if all of the elements that we have added are saved as well. So just click on the share option at the top right of your screen and then click on the download button. So this one, and then you just have to choose the file type. So I suggest choose the PNG, and then after that you just have to simply click on the download option and wait for a couple of seconds, and then you just have to locate the folder or find the folder where you want to save this project. Okay, so now that the design is ready, I'm just going to select a folder right here and then just click on save after that. Now let us open our file and try to see if the elements that we have added on the t-shirt are saved as well. Okay, so I think this one. So yeah, we have here now the text. We also have the color of the t-shirt change. So if you want to make more changes, you just have to open your Canva once again and then just do the same. So now another thing here is when you go back to Envato Elements, okay, and then find another t-shirt. So for example, this one. So you just have to proceed by downloading this one and then try to customize all of the available elements that you can change, or just simply use the elements from Canva. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.